Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize crosshair on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this button in the right side corner of the screen down below, and then tap on settings at the top. Click on crosshair, which is the which can be found in this left side column. Tap on it, and here you can select a bunch of sections at the top, such as no scope. Here you can select the crosshair color. As you tap on red dot side, you can set the crosshair color and the crosshair style as well. You can set the holographic side, canted side 2 or 3 times as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.